So for the background, this project was part of the Stoney Creek Habitat Improvement Project, which occurred in August 2012. It's a one-year project. And the goal is to protect the salmonids, like charm and coho salmon, and cutthroat and steelhead trout, which are commonly found in this Stoney Creek habitat, like in the Burnaby. So for the object for our paper or topic was to see if the salmonids can be protected from the stream, the water temperature, and the vegetation shade cover, so the salmonids can have places to hide from predators and places to stay protect from various environmental conditions. So for canopy shade, we also wanted to see if the water temperature change. If the water is too hot, then salmon can die off, and it's cold, it's not ideal for salmons. So we need to see if the salmon can stay in the water for a good amount of time and conditions. So we compared between restored and unrestored sites to see the difference. So for methods, we used fish-eyed photography. We used the fish eye, which is put on the top of the camera, and to see if there's the shade cover percentage, so which is the fish eye, the picture on the right. And we use the formula open area over total area times 100%, with percentage of open area in the total area. So that is the results of fish eye. So as you can see, the disturbed areas have higher percentage of open area. So that means there's less area for the fish to hide. And the water, because there's less open area, there's higher temperature to heat up the water. And it can also be really unideal for salmon. And also more sunlight going into fish, going into the water, so it can also heat up the water. So compared to that, unrestored area has really low percentage of open areas, so it means that they're really successful in protecting the salmonids. So the second method we used was using the chronometer, which was the left picture. So that is the UV component of light. We want to see how harmful is the UV light into the stream. And we measured the angle of the tree in the stream. So the results of the chronometer, we saw that the average height of the tree was 33 meters. So that's the distance is between 40 meters. So for the discussion, we found that not all the locations had shade restored when compared to unrestored. So it means that not all the places restored has adequate protection, and it's not completely restored. So for fish-eyed, because we did the project in April, deciduous trees was not full grown. So we did not know how it impacts in the summer. And for the graph for the fish, the pond was near the edge, not in the middle, so the shade cover might not be irrelevant. And we assume the shade is very similar to restored and unrestored. For chronometer, they're too close, so it's not right. Also, the weather was not right. So I'm almost done, like 5 seconds. So for conclusion, so we need to see air temperature and direct solar radiation to see how it affects the salmon. And because the project was only 1 year, it was not enough. So more monitoring was needed, and more study should be needed if it's allowed. Okay, thank you.